go. I didn't even know this thing was on, man. Let's go, y'all. You heard the candy rain and purple rain, right? But this right here, it's called the money rain. Yeah, it's the root of all evil, and it rules everything around people. So let me hear you sing, if you feel the same. Listen, money reigns supreme, and it's all about the cream in these days and times. Yeah, you know what I mean. The green is all I need, cause I grow mad trees, but indeed I also have my kids' mouths to feed. But damn, times are hard, and any minute we can be a goner. Cause shit is real, so niggas usually will grab a corner. But I don't wanna, cause PIGs be trying to warn ya that if they finally catch ya, they gon' put it on ya. And bet I ain't with being broke up. So roll that Mary Jane, like that shit in the smoke up, so we can be high off a skunk or chocolate top. But what'll make it better? Money falling from the sky. That's word to sleepy eyes. I like my woman with thick thighs and nice shapes. Smart and pretty in the face. We can go to shame losing if I make her my main. She can chill and must the money ring. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Dig this, y'all. Yo, you heard of candy rain and purple rain, right? But this right here is called the money rain. Yeah, it's the root of all evil, and it rules everything around people. So let me hear you sing, if you feel the same. Listen. Okay, you heard of candy rain and purple rain and left a stain in your brain, and it caught attention like a major pain. But I'm saying, ain't nothing like the dollar bills falling, and money keeps calling. Especially when I'm broke with no hope. I can't smoke, I can't cope. You reckon like this shit is a joke? I should poke you in your eye, that'll make you cry. But now I let it slide, cause I ain't that type of guy. So bank is five, and you can get in my line. Rep whatever you want, you can take the whole five. Let's make this shit live and watch the money rise. And when I take all your money, let me see a smile. I'll walk away counting all the cream, and I'ma hit cash off, cause he was part of the scheme. He said, yo, good looking, bro, now I know what you mean. When you said all you needed was a bucket of dream, and it seems 12. You heard of candy rain and purple rain, right? But this right here is called the money rain. Yeah, it's the root of all evil, and it rules everything around people. So let me hear you sing, if you motherfucking feel the same. Check it. Yeah, I do believe that money grows on trees, cause money made out of paper, paper made out of leaves. So let the money rain, please, cause I hate being broke. It might provoke me to put a nigga in the yoke and choke him out. Find out what he's about, taking checks and credit cards without a shadow of doubt. Start a bank account when dirty money got me making out with plenty of honeys and hotels, and even in a private house. But that's the way a Brooklyn Dawn's supposed to live. And I got 4 kids, so you can call me Papa Wills, making dollar bills. Fit out, got a bill for real, you know the deal. I'll be starving for a meal, so I need a couple meals. But yet and still, money never ever seems to find a way to visit hills. It kills and starts dreams, plots and schemes, cause the whole world knows. It kills and starts dreams, plots and schemes, cause the whole world knows. It kills and starts dreams, plots and schemes, cause the whole world knows. It kills and starts dreams, plots and schemes, cause the whole world knows. That money reigns supreme. You heard the candy rain and purple rain, right? But this right here is called the money rain. Yeah, it's the root of all evil, and it rules everything around people. So let me hear you sing, if you motherfucking feel the same. Money rain, I wanna see the money rain. See the money rain, I wanna see the money rain. See the money rain, yeah, I wanna see the money rain. Yeah, yeah. And I don't know how to sing. Nah, I don't know how to sing. but I wanna see it rain. Yeah. Homemade crack. It's written. Dawn of another day.